Hey, what is up, guys? It's John from Magic Tech Review, and I'm here today with the Alcatel 5V. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this phone here, specs-wise review, and I actually have one of the employees here that are gonna talk with me just a little bit. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review. And comment down below what you want me to go ahead and take a look at here. Further at CES, or what else you want to see on the channel, and let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. Alright guys, so here we go. We're talking with the representative over here about the Alcatel 5V. So what can you tell us about this, sweetheart?
So the Alcatel 5V is our most advanced display that we have. It has a 6.2 HD 19.9 bezel-less design. So we specialize in creating devices that have high-end features for, reasonable prices. You got your high shine glass in the back. You got your dual rear-facing cameras. And again, that gorgeous bezel-less design for a great price. We got a 6.2-inch display, which is $19.9, which gives you that slim, long sort of appeal, but it also gives you maximum screen real estate there. Also, it comes in 32 gigs with 3 gigs of RAM and a 4,000 milliamp battery, so you can rock it all day. So, do you have any additional questions?
Yeah, when do you think this is going to be launching in the United States, or?
That's TBD at the moment.
Okay.
These are our
to be determined, guys.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you think the advantages are between the 5 and the 5V?
So with that one, you have dual front-facing cameras, and then again, you have a little bit more of a premium look and feel to it.
Yeah, because that's...
So this one has, again...
Let's go ahead and get that.
So this one is a little bit longer. So you got 19.9 on this one, and you got 18.9 here, and you get a little bit more screen real estate on this one. But again, you got the dual front-facing cameras.
I know. I like the dual front-facing cameras, but the look is just a little.
I know. I'm kind of amazed with that. Definitely.
So yeah, thank you very much for giving us this first look of the phone. All right.
Thank you for stopping by.